going to show you how to pick up I-cord edge stitches that have been dropped, or you've frogged a few rows of your knitting and you're back to the last 3 I-cord stitches. So we need to have the yarn in the front of our work like we do in our pattern, and then it looks like you would pick them up that way, through that way, but that is actually incorrect. You need to roll the stitches out so that you can see the purl bumps, which is 1, 2, 3, and then pick them up in that direction. So you can see there I've rolled out that edge. I can see clearly my 3 purl bumps, which are these garter stitches, and I've got my yarn at the front. I'm going to put the needle in through the back of the stitch to pick them up so that the stitches are the right way around when I want to knit them. And that's it. And then I'm going to turn my work and carry on, and my I-cord edge will still look beautiful. Thanks for watching.